Welcome to Rankie 10 Video Rankings. We announce the top 10 rankings of DVI cable. Let's get started. Ranking number 10. Cable Matters Mini DisplayPort to DVI cable. It has gold-plated connectors that resist corrosion, provide durability, and improve the signal of transmission. It supports video resolutions up to 1920 by 1200 and 1080p. Ergonomically designed treads. Does not block adjacent ports on your computer. Bare copper conductor. Ranking number 9. Amazon Basics HL007268 DVI cable. Latching and screw locking connectors keep the cable securely in place to help prevent accidental disconnects. Transmits HD video from computer to display. Supports video resolutions up to 1920 by 1200 or 1080p. Backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. Ranking number 8. Rankie R1350 DVI to DVI cable, 6 feet. It is made of quality copper cord, covered with aluminum shielding. The outer PVC jacket ensures long-term durability. This cable supports video resolutions up to 2560 by 1600. Screw knob design. Gold-plated connectors. DVI cable. Ranking number 7. UGREEN 11672 DVI-D 24+1 cable, male to male. UGREEN cable supports resolution up to 2560 by 1600 at 60 Hz and 1080p. It has screws that support secure connection and easy plugging and unplugging. It is gold-plated. Dual link. Anti-interference. Stable transmission. Ranking number 6. BENFEI Active DVI-D to VGA adapter. This adapter connects DVI-D enabled desktops and laptops to VGA displays. It supports HD TV resolution up to 1080p at 60 Hz, and PC graphics resolutions up to 1920 by 1200 at 60 Hz. Quad shielded cable with PVC jacket. 18-month product warranty. Ranking number 5. BENFEI DisplayPort to DVI adapter. This adapter transmits high-definition video from your computer to an HD TV for video streaming or gaming. It features quad-shielded cable with PVC jacket. Latching DisplayPort connector to ensure secure connection. Foil and braid shielding. Supports PC graphics resolutions up to 2048 by 1152 at 60 Hz. Ranking number 4. Rankie R1109 DisplayPort to DVI cable. This 6-feet cable connects a DisplayPort or DisplayPort++ equipped laptop or desktop to a monitor or projector with DVI input. Enhances transmission performance with bare copper conductors. Resists corrosion with gold-plated connectors. Reduces interference with braided foil shielding. Ranking number 3. Amazon Basics HL002573 DVI to DVI cable. It connects your DVI-equipped computer or other device with a DVI connection to flat panel displays, projectors, digital CRT displays, HD TV and LCD monitors, and projectors. Includes ferrets to prevent signal loss. Low profile head. Ranking number 2. Blue Rigger DVI to DVI digital cable, MM. This will connect your DVI-equipped computer or any other device with a DVI connection to flat panel displays, digital CRT displays, HD TV and projectors, including DFP and LCD types. DVI dual link configuration. Easy installation with thumb screws. Compliant with DVI standard. Finally, ranking number 1. Cable Matters DVI-D dual link cable. Cable Matters dual link cable is the ultimate link for connecting your computer to the latest generation of 2K monitors with DVI input. Connect a 2K monitor for exceptional picture quality and static-free video transmission. Molded strain relief connectors. Finger-tightened screws. Easy grip surface.
Hi, did you enjoy this video? New videos will be updated every 2 days. Please subscribe to Rankie 10 channel. It will be super helpful to us. Thanks for your subscription. You'll be blessed.
Thanks for watching. Check ranking scores and more details on Rankie10.com.